Inaway pa kasi siya. Alam siya scattered too. Sienna, is this right? You just have to fold this one.
It's too big for my
This one! It's not your ID yet.
ID.
It's not your ID yet. Name tag. It needs to be big so that your teacher can see it.
I'll put it over here.
Yeah. Ito, nagbuang na. Printan ko sa... Yung printan ko sa... What the heck?